Back at it again with the famous Cinestill 800. Super overcast day, as you saw in the rain, so this should be really great. And eventually I'm going to shoot with this 50-day film, which I never shot before, but it's not looking too sunny for that. So we just loaded up the film, and right when we're about to head outside, and what we're trying to shoot is actually outside. Just might need to wait this out. What do you say? So I think it's finally safe, but
oh, I can hear them.
So we made it inside. So today's little mini adventure. Oh, today's little mini adventure is at a bird park. Get to see many multi-national birds, such as these little guys.
Your lemon shield duck. Right, yeah. Native to European. You can see him from this side.
Bringing out the big guns.
How do you open it?
Push.
How am I pushing?
You gotta lift the handle up.
Up. Do you see this?
Look at all them flamingos. Oh.
really pretty
We got a runner. I'm gonna start writing down.
Guys, look, it's Toucan Sam.
It's like a tree branch. Yeah.
Actually, it's named Toko Toucan.
The hooded turkey eats 10 miles.
Did you get him? Close. Are you showing off for the camera?
Whoa.
I told you they're showing off for the
you get
camera. Yeah. They must know that. This one. Hi, pretty. Aw. Someone's itchy. Bye. Guys, I'm having so much fun again. Sorry I look sweaty, but once more, it's humid. What's new? And he's about to get these cool birds. Guys, but check out their beaks. Like, hold up. Do you see that? That's huge. I was not have you heard me talking about them. Look, guys, we found the swan princess. Yas. Just kidding.
She just asked, does the mute swan talk? And these swans are actually not mute. While other swans have loud whooping sounds, mute swan only utters quiet grunts.
They're about to fight. Oh, she got out. Okay, don't touch them, don't harass them because they will bite. There's a sign. You see that here?
Did you get that?
Yeah. This happens like every time we do something. He gets hissed at, yelled at or something.
So as I was trying to say before my friend here interrupted me, looks like we are caught again in the rain. But we're in between nature, so we're just hanging tight for the second beam.
Now watch me whip. Now watch me nene. Ooh.
Abracadabra, my problems just left. Alakazam, there goes my stress. Bibbidi, bobbidi boo, there go my blues. Feeling dizzy magic every time we talk, and I don't even panic, cause girl you're fantastic, and I'm sure to be an addict to that drug to your love. Feeling ecstatic, fitting like a glove. Got my problems to vanish. You speak another language, I'm not talking about Spanish, but you managed to package your words in the lavish fashion. Magic just so happens to happen when you speak, and I'll be there to leak every word from my creek to return. Every turn on this table, I'll be writing fables about magic from your mouth. Sagala dula me chica bula, baby babidi boo. Sagala dula me chica bula, baby babidi boo. What do you got?
Well, hey there. Mom, look at my feet.
Hello.
It's not my fault that this bird is sucking in. I've got one of my hands and like 15 in my pocket.
They like my listening on my keychain. Oh. He's up there.
Hey, you guys made it this far. I know that's a long video, but thanks for watching. Had a really cool time shooting with the Cinestill800 film with the bird park, and it was really cool to see all those mix of multi-international birds all in one community like that. And you can get really up and close and personal with the birds, especially like the flamingos, like literally from right here to right there. Birds. I had a few of my favorites was the duck with the bluish tunsic beak. He was really cool, like exotic. And then also that black suede bird that kind of honked at me. But he was really cool with the, he looked really fancy for some reason. I don't know, it just stuck out to me. Be sure to let me know your favorite bird that you saw in this video down below. And if you're new, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe button down below to see some more cool content in the future. And until next time, stay tuned for more.